Hey, this video, I'm basically giving an overview of the beverage technology patents that we were supposed to go over. There were 9 of them, so I'm just going to give basically the story behind them, a little bit of a history. So, the first one I guess we can talk about is the insulating sleeve. This was filed on May 4th, 2000. That was its priority date. Basically, it describes that for years, foam plastic was utilized for cups, meant for hot beverages, and basically this sleeve replaces the need to use foam cups solely. Now people could handle hot cups with this sleeve, so that was the main purpose behind this patent. The next patent would be the thermal coffee cup. This was patented, the priority date for this was actually in the 1940s, 1948. And basically, what this was is I guess you can say the original, like, hot cup meant to hold hot beverages. Essentially, there's an outer portion and an inner portion. You stuck in the inner portion within the outer portion, and essentially that would insulate your hand from heat. And that was designed for basically coffee or any hot beverage. Third one is the method for manufacturing the thermal sleeve as a whole. So basically, this was actually This priority date was actually in 2005, and essentially it has a crepe paper product, and basically it takes two ends, connects them together to form a wrap that basically encloses the cup. And basically, what this is like you're using less paper in the production of this thermal sleeve, so it's more environmentally friendly. And they sort of list the process of how they go about this within their claims and in their diagrams. The next one would be the insulator sleeve for a beverage container. So the priority date for this was in 2006, and basically the outer sleeve is transparent and includes a textured gripping surface. And basically it has a customized inner sleeve that allows you to, I guess you can say, like, mark your favorite drink as a user. And I mean, the main purpose behind this is it's more economical compared to the production of disposable sleeves, and more effective at insulating consumers' hands. That's mainly the purpose behind this. Next one that I will go into is the temperature indicating sleeve and related container. And the priority date for this was in 2007. It was eventually patented in 2012, actually. And basically, it has a temperature indicator on the sidewall, which is visible from outside the sleeve. And overall, I'd say this is one of the more valid patents out there, valid inventions. Basically, it allows for consumers to sort of make an individual decision as to what temperature or temperature range uh, or degree of hotness and coldness suits them best. And I mean, what this did, the purpose of this was to essentially give consumers an indication of what exactly the temperature of the drink they are drinking is. The next one I'll go into is the sleeve construction for improved paperboard cup insulation. Priority date for this was in 1999, and basically it relates to the construction of sleeves for use with paperboard cups. And basically it uses a relatively new technology with hot melt glue dots, basically to better protect or insulate the cup. So its overall lightness and weight, ease of assembly, good durability. They make these claims, make the quality of this invention considerably higher than those achieved prior to this. Um, the next one I'm going to go into is the beverage cup sleeving system and method. Priority date for this was in '07. Basically, what this does is provide an insulating cup sleeve that is effective when wetted, and it's effective against both high and low temperatures. So that's the main thing with this. Um, the beauty behind this is that it's meant for both hot and cold beverages, which makes this a completely novel idea, something that hadn't been in effect earlier. So it does this through its utilization of elastomerics, such as silicon and rubber, and the relative originality of this makes this quite valid. And then the final two I'm going to go into are the protective sleeve and the hot and cold cup sleeve. So with the protective sleeve first, that priority date for that was in 2009. Basically has a unique arc-like shape that other sleeves did not have before. And basically that it facilitates manufacturing material efficiency and so reduces material costs and environmental waste. And I mean, the relatively new design of it makes it quite valid and makes it quite non-obvious. And last one, the hot and cold cup sleeve. Basically, it's a sleeve for both hot and cold beverage cups. Pretty radical. This priority date was actually in 2014, and eventually was patented later on in the year. So it's quite lightweight, it's thin, inexpensive, and basically it's 12 claims and make clear what the purpose behind the sleeve is, how it differentiates itself from the prior art, and basically the production of the sleeve. And I guess you can say its unique quality is really what makes this quite a valid invention. So basically, that's the story of the 9 patents we were given.